Hello everyone, this is the Golf Plus Comfort Line 2009 petrol 90 kilowatt 165,000 kilometer on it. I'm going to change the rear brake disc and brake pads and make it ready for the TUV inspection. I have the new brake pad here, new brake disc. I open these two 13 millimeters bolt with 15 range and 13. Remove the top. Then we need a screwdriver to remove the caliper. Remove the brake disc. It's jammed. The brake disc is jammed. We don't need to remove the caliper bracket. Simply we just unscrew this hex 13. This is a hex 30. We remove it, and from the right side remove the brake disc. Clean the surface with the iron brush. Clean brake bracket with the iron brush, and that's it. Push back the brake caliper piston all the way to the end. This is the tools. Turn clockwise until the piston go inside all the way, like this. Open the special tool. Remove this pin, clean it, apply special grease, apply the special grease. And put it back. This is a special brake service grease. Slightly. Grease. Yeah, not too much. Just slightly. Install the new brake disc. Align it. The hole. Put back the new brake pads. When you install the new brake disc, always use the new brake pads. Apply grease. This tip. Always use new bolt. Use new bolts. Come with the brake pads. Put the piston in its place. Put the bolts. Check the brake caliper movement should be smooth. Then the side is finished, you go for the left, for the right side. Brake and brake pads and also the tires. We are going to press the brake. After changing the brake disc and brake pads, I check the brake fluid level. The level is okay. It's in maximum level. And for the quality test, I have this tester. I turn it on and I put it here. The brake fluid quality is okay. I close the hood and it's time to test the brake. And the car is ready to pick up by the customer.